What's going down, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be doing another haircut tutorial, but the client in the video is actually my guy from high school. I haven't seen him in a couple years, so you know I had to hit him with that welcome home haircut. But not only that, I had to show him like this ain't high school no more. Like EJones is a different animal with the clippers. I'm a different beast. What Kobe say in that commercial with Kanye? You gotta be the same animal but a different beast. I think EJones is just different. This ain't high school no more. So I had to show him that. Let's get into the video. I'm gonna start out in the back of the head. As you guys can see, his left side of the head is actually faded, but the footage came out extremely blurry. So we're just gonna start in the back of the head. Now the fade technique is the same as all my other techniques. We're gonna start out with the ultra fast feed, lever close, make our first guideline, open the lever, and then go from there. Now to fade some of those longer hairs down into the fade, we're gonna go with the grain. So this is a long number one on the ultra fast feed with the grain. And basically what I'm trying to do is lay some of those poofy hairs down into the fade so it just transitions nicely into the afro. Now this step right here, you could do clipper over comb, but for me, number 2 guard open and I lightly flick out the hair kind of acts like clipper over comb. So if you're not comfortable doing this with the number 2 guard and you're able to have some type of finesse with it, I would suggest go clipper over comb to fade some of those longer hairs down into the fade. Now this step is very important. What you want to do is you want to bald out the bottom portion of the fade, so when we do shave it with the razor, it just blends seamlessly into the fade and you're not left with the harsh line. And moving on to the right side of the head, it is the same exact steps as the back and the other side. But the only difference between this and the back of the head is you have less room to work with. So I would suggest make your guidelines a little bit thinner, not so thick, not so wide. That way we prevent the fade from going up too high and we just ruin the whole look. And next, what you want to do is pick out the hair to get ready for the trim and the shaping of the hair. I say pick out the hair because it reveals the natural true length of the hair, and then you know what's uneven, how much you want to take off, and whatever the case may be. And when I'm freehand shaping the hair like I'm doing right now with the Anders Master, I'm not really too concerned on making it like the perfect even shape because I'm going to hit it with the curl sponge anyways. Yeah, you do want the hair to be even and all the same length, but the shape of it, I'm not looking for the perfect afro shape. You know, I'm just gonna hit it with the curl sponge anyways. And next up, this is the most important part before you line someone up, especially when they have hair like this. See all those afro hairs and little curls in the front? If we were just gonna try to line that up without prepping it like I'm about to do right now, all those hairs are just gonna curl back up. Your hairline's gonna end up looking choppy and uneven. So what I'm doing right here is I'm going with the grain on the #1 guard close. And you wanna go with the grain because you wanna lay those hairs down. You want them to lay as flat as possible. So when you do hit it with the liners, they don't move, they don't curl back up, and that's how you get the crispier effect. So after this, you guys will see me open up the #1 guard. 1 guard open with the grain. Now we're gonna go up higher on the head just to kind of blend those longer hairs down into that foundation and those hairs that we laid down. Hopefully that made sense. I know I'm talking a lot. Moving on to the straight razor, we have to apply some Easy Blade shaving gel from ezbladshavingproducts.com. Now what the shaving gel is doing, it's softening up the hair and it allows the razor to glide a lot easier. So with ezbladshavingproducts.com, they have an abundance of shaving products for all your shaving needs. I do have a 10% off promo code that's strictly there for you guys to use. So order whatever you guys want, and at checkout, just type in EJonesTv in the promo tab and you'll receive 10% off your whole purchase. So right here, I'm going to be applying some shave oil to the back of the head just to open up the pores, soften up the hair a little bit, add some lubrication and moisture. But on top of this, I will be applying some Easy Blade shaving gel. So the two products combined, it just leaves the hair super soft and so much lubrication and moisture. So in the next shot that you guys see, when I'm actually shaving the hair just falls off the head effortlessly. And that's because I combined the shave oil with the shaving gel. And next up, we're gonna apply some hair fibers, just a light coating. As you guys can see, I just do one pass on the front of the lineup and the side of the lineup. And I'm only applying hair fibers just to enhance his hairline. It didn't really need it. As you guys can see, it kind of looks the same after I do it, but it just adds a little bit of darkness and richness to the hairline. And really all that's left for this haircut to do is the curl sponge. So what I'm going to do is spray some hairspray, and what the hairspray is going to do is lock those curls into place when I get through with the curl sponge. But other than that, man, that's going to do for this haircut. I had to save my guy's life. I gave him a welcome home haircut. It came out super fresh. But other than that, hopefully you guys did enjoy. Leave a like if you did, subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.